Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to change the vertical videos to the horizontal or how to change the orientation of your videos in the CapCut. So first of all you have to just import your video in the CapCut. Once you import your video in the CapCut, you have to just find here an option of the ratio. If you have an old version of the CapCut, then you have to just find an option of the format. In case of the new version, find the option of the ratio. So just click on this format or the ratio option, and here you have to just select for the 16:9 ratio, and you can see that my vertical video has been turned to the horizontal one. So in order to set it, you have to use your both fingers to resize your video and then click on the done option at the bottom right, and you can see that your video has been turned successfully. So that's all for this video. I hope you all guys enjoyed this video. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.